Benefits of ginger tea. Ginger, a plant with a rich history dating back thousands of years, is renowned for its dual role in both culinary and medicinal contexts. Historically, it has been a staple in various traditional medicine systems, valued for its therapeutic properties. In terms of nutrition, ginger is a powerhouse, packed with essential vitamins and minerals. It is particularly noted for its high levels of vitamin C, magnesium, and other beneficial compounds. This nutritional profile contributes to its wide range of health benefits, making it a versatile and invaluable ingredient in both the kitchen and medicine cabinet. Reasons to drink ginger tea. 1. Nausea relief. Another study in the Supportive Care and Cancer Journal demonstrated ginger's efficacy in reducing chemotherapy-induced nausea. These studies attribute ginger's anti-nausea effects to compounds like gingerol, which help regulate digestive functions. For nausea relief, the recommended dosage of ginger varies based on the form and purpose. For general nausea, adults can consume 4 grams of fresh ginger root daily. In the case of pregnancy-related nausea, it's advised to limit the intake to 1 gram per day. It's important to start with a lower dose and gradually increase it to assess tolerance. Ginger should be used cautiously and not exceed these recommended amounts without consulting a healthcare provider. Always check with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. 2. Digestive health. Studies have shown that ginger can effectively calm an upset stomach, reduce feelings of bloating, and promote the rapid and efficient movement of food. For digestive health, a common recommendation is to consume between 1 and 3 grams of ginger per day. This dosage can be adjusted based on individual tolerance and specific digestive issues. It's important to start with a lower amount and gradually increase it. Fresh ginger root, ginger tea, or ginger supplements can be used, but the form and concentration may affect the dosage. Always consult with a healthcare provider before beginning any new supplement, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking other medications. 3. Anti-inflammatory properties. The recommended dosage for anti-inflammatory purposes is typically around 3 grams of ginger extract daily, divided into multiple doses. It's essential to consult a healthcare provider for personalized dosage advice, particularly for long-term use or if you have existing health conditions. 4. Infection-fighting properties. This is attributed to its compounds. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare provider before using ginger as an antimicrobial agent, especially for specific infections or alongside other treatments. 5. Muscle and joint discomfort relief. For pain relief, the recommended dosage of ginger is typically around 2 grams per day, either in divided doses or as a single dose. It's important to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice, especially if you're considering using ginger for chronic pain conditions or alongside other medications. 6. Menstrual cramp alleviation. The recommended dosage for menstrual cramp relief is typically around 500 to 1,000 milligrams of ginger powder, taken at the onset of menstrual symptoms and continued for the first 3-4 days of the menstrual cycle. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new treatment, especially for those with menstrual disorders. 7. Blood sugar regulation. The recommended dosage for blood sugar regulation is about 1-2 grams of ginger powder per day. However, it's crucial for individuals, especially those with diabetes or prediabetes, to consult with a healthcare provider before using ginger for blood sugar management to ensure it is safe and effective in conjunction with their overall treatment plan. 8. Cardiovascular disease prevention. For cardiovascular benefits is typically 1-2 grams of ginger powder daily. However, individuals with heart conditions or those on medication should consult a healthcare provider before incorporating ginger into their regimen to ensure it aligns safely with their health needs and treatment plans. 9. Memory enhancement. A recommended dosage is around 400 to 800 milligrams of ginger extract daily. 10. Recent studies underscore ginger's multifaceted role in health and wellness. However, further research is needed to fully understand and validate these benefits. Usage of ginger. Ginger can be incorporated into daily life in various forms. Tea. Ginger tea is a popular way to enjoy its benefits. Simply steep sliced fresh ginger in hot water. Cooking. Fresh ginger can be used in stir-fries, soups, and marinades. Powder. Ginger powder is convenient for baking and seasoning dishes. Crystallized ginger. This form is a sweet treat and can be eaten alone or used in desserts. Supplements, capsules, or tablets offer a concentrated dose. Essential oils. Used in aromatherapy for its soothing properties. For powdered ginger, a small amount, about 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon, is often sufficient to flavor dishes. Overuse can overpower other flavors. A simple ginger tea recipe involves simmering slices of fresh ginger in water for 10-15 minutes, then straining and optionally adding honey or lemon for flavor. Potential side effects and risks. Excessive consumption of ginger can lead to adverse effects like heartburn, diarrhea, and mouth irritation. Individuals with high blood pressure should use ginger cautiously, as it can affect blood pressure levels. Those with gallstones must also be careful, as ginger can increase bile production. Pregnant women are advised to limit ginger intake and consult their healthcare provider before use to avoid any potential risks to their pregnancy. In conclusion, while ginger offers numerous health benefits, the information provided here is educational and not a substitute for professional medical advice. It's important for viewers to remember that individual health conditions vary, and what works for one person may not be suitable for another. For personalized advice and to ensure the safe use of ginger, especially in the case of existing health conditions or medication interactions, consulting a healthcare provider is always recommended. If you found this video informative and helpful, please show your support by liking and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to turn on notifications to stay updated on our latest content. We would love to hear from you in the comments section below. Share your experiences or questions about ginger. Your engagement helps us grow and continue to provide valuable health information. Thank you for watching.